Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel SAP Formula. In last class, we saw the importance of free of charge, that is FOC process. We saw subsequent delivery free of charge. We also saw what is quantity contract. In today's class, let us see what is value contract general. In interview, they will ask what are the different types of contracts. So you have to explain all these contracts. Now let us see what is value contract general. Like I told, every business process will have its own document type. For value contract general, the document type is WK1. Now, what is this value contract general and what is the necessary of value contract general when we already have quantity contract? Now, let us see what is value. See, value means money. Okay, the value means money. So we are making a contract with the value. Okay, general. Okay, now let us see what is value contract general. It is the agreement between the company and the customer. Okay, it is the agreement between the company and the customer for supplying of goods of particular value. See, that is the reason the name value contract general with a specific validity period. Okay, it is an agreement between the company and the customer for supplying the goods of particular value within a specific period of time. Okay, now why the term called general? Okay, you understood what is value contract. Now, what do you mean by general? Okay, value contract general is not specific to one material. Okay, so the value contract general is not specific to one material, it is for group of materials. And to group this material, okay, now we have to group this material, right? To group this material, we have something called assortment module. We have to create one assortment module with the help of transaction WSV2, or you can navigate through this path SAP Easy Access, Logistics General, Sales and Distribution Master Data. So you can navigate through path, or we have a direct transaction called WSV2. In interview, they will ask in which business process you will come across assortment module. You have to tell value contract general. Now let us see how we can create assortment module first. Okay, the transaction code is WSV2. Okay, slash n WSV2. Click enter. Now you can see in module type we have different types of module types, but we are dealing with value contract module. Now click enter. Okay, give the description as value contract general, and what is the material. For example, this is the material valid from. So this contract or this assortment module, okay, the assortment module which we are creating under module type contract module, it is valid from today and to this date. Okay, see, you can group the materials. Okay, since it is general, right? So like this you can group. Okay, you can group, so not a problem. Now, I will say if you want, you can delete the line item also. For example, you can select this line item and you can delete the line item also. Okay, you can delete like this. Okay, sorry, I'll delete once again. Delete line item. Okay, see, the line item got deleted, and you can save this assortment module. Now I will copy this assortment module and I will paste in my Excel sheet. Okay, so this is the assortment module. Okay, this is the assortment module. Now, what is the first step we have? See, first step is we created assortment module. In assortment module, we will group all the materials. What is the step? Now we will go to the business process. First one is create value contract general using transaction code VA41. Now I will go to transaction code VA41. Okay, go to VA41. Now what is the contract type? WK1 value contract general. Now click enter. Okay, now give the sold to party, and go to sales tab. Enter the value. For example, I will enter 25,000 rupees. Okay, 25,000 rupees. What is the material? Material is 24. Okay, this 24. 50065,624. Now, what is the assortment module? Assortment module was, I'll copy this assortment module and I will give here. Okay, this is the assortment module. Now you have to give valid from and valid to. So this value contract general, it is valid from today to, I will give as this month end. Okay, I will give till the 1st of August. I will click enter. Now I'll go to edit, incompletion log. System is saying document is complete. Now I will save this. Okay, So inside this value contract general, I have given assortment module. Now I'll copy this contract and I will paste it here. Okay. Now this step is completed. Okay, this step is completed. Now, what is the second step? Create order using transaction code VA41. Now, I'll go to transaction VA41. VA41. I will click on create with the reference. I will go to contract. I will give the contract number. Now, click on item selection. Okay, click on item selection. Okay, click on item selection. Now select this line item and click on expand assortment module. Now give order quantity. For example, I will give order quantity as 100. Okay. Now click enter. Now one step go back and again click on copy. Click on copy. Now here change unit of measurement. Okay. Change it as liter. Okay. He is buying 10 liters. Now you can see, now double click on this line item. Go to condition tab. See the system has taken price as this much. Okay. Now go to update. Click on update. Now click on carry out new pricing procedure. Okay. You can see 250 rupees is 1 liter. Then for 10 liters, it is 25,000 rupees. Now I'll come back. Now I will come back. You can see system has taken 25,000 rupees for 100 liters. Or else what I will do, I will take 50 liters. Okay, I will take 50 liters. It has become 12,500 rupees. Now I will go to edit, incompletion log. System is saying document is complete. Now I will save this. Now I will create delivery slash NVL01N. Okay. Now click enter. Now go to picking tab, enter the storage location. And what is the picked quantity? Picked quantity is 50. Click enter. Now, now click on post goods receipt. Okay. System has created the delivery. Now slash n VF01. Go to VF01. Now click enter and save this invoice. Now, if you go to value contract general slash n VA42. If you go to VA42 and click enter, okay, you can see the released amount is 12,500 rupees. So from 25,000, we have released an amount of 12,500 rupees. Now you can see a document flow, display document flow. If you click display document flow, you can see what is the reference value, 25,000 rupees we have referred. Okay, that means we have utilized 12,000, we have referred 12,500 rupees from this 25,000 budget. Okay. Now what I will do, I will create one more order with the same value contract general. Okay. I'll copy this. Now I'll go to slash and VA01. Okay. Now I'll click on create with reference. I will give the contract number. Okay. I'll give the contract number. I will click on item selection. Okay. I'll click on item selection. Now select this line item. Click on expand assortment. Now give quantity as I will give 100 quantity. Okay. Now I will come back. Now click on copy. Click on copy. Now what I will do, I will go to condition tab. Go to update. Go to update. Carry out new pricing procedure. Okay. Now one step I'll come back. You can see it has taken. Okay. Change it to liter. Unit of measurement 100 liter. Okay, 100 liter, see 25,000 rupees. Now, when I save this, system will give me a warning message saying that target value of value contract has been exceeded. You can see the difference, it is 12,500 rupees has been exceeded. Do you wish to save the document or continue to edit? Okay, so this is all about value contract general. So in value contract general, we will have one assortment module, and inside assortment module we will group the materials. Okay, we will group the materials and we will create orders. So this is all about value contract general. Now we have value contract material specific. Now value means, like I told, money. Contract is a contract, material specific. Let us see what is value contract material specific. Document type for value contract material specific is WK2. Now, what is this value contract material specific? It is an agreement between the company and the customer for supplying the goods of particular value within a specific validity period. See here, we are not grouping the materials. Okay, we are not grouping the materials. Only a specific material we are going to sell for a given value. Okay, now let us see. See here I have given a statement value contract material. Okay, value contract material specific business process is specific to only one material. Here, however, here whatever value we mention is for only one material only. Now let us see how to create value contract material specific. Here we don't have assortment module. Okay, go to transaction VA41. Okay, slash n VA40 VA41. Now what is the document type? Document type is a WK2. WK2. Enter the sold to party. Enter the sold to party and give the PO number. Click enter. Now, if you go to sales tab, you can see the material and target value. For example, I will give material and I will give target value as 50,000 rupees. Okay, click enter. You can see 50,000 rupees and you can see the released value is 0. Okay, currently the released value is 0. Now contract start date and contract end date also have given. And now click edit in completion log. Document is complete and save this. Okay, now I will copy this contract number. I will copy this contract number, Control C, and I will paste here. Okay, so this is my contract number. Now, second one is create order or release this. Okay. Now go to slash and VA01, slash and VA01, and I will click on create with reference. I will go to contract tab and I will copy the contract and I'll click on copy, click on copy, click on copy. Okay. And what I will do order now give order quantity. For example, I want to purchase 10 liters. Okay, I want to purchase 10 liters. Click enter. Now double click on this line item. Go to condition tab. Now click on update. Update. Carry out new pricing procedure. Okay. So for 10 liters, it is 2,500 rupees. Okay. Each liter is 250 rupees. So for 10 liters, it is 2,500 rupees. Now click on edit. In completion log. System is saying document is complete and save this. Okay. Now go to slash n VA42. VA42. Click enter. You can see the value release is 2,500 rupees from 50,000 rupees. So this is about value contract material specific. Okay. It is specific to only one material. Whatever the target value that you enter here, it is specific to only one material only. Okay. So this is all about value contract material specific. Okay. So step three, usually same process. We will create delivery with respect to the sales order and we will create invoice. So this is the difference between value contract general. In value contract general, we will have assortment module. In value contract material specific, it is specific to only one material. So we don't have assortment module. Now, what is the next contract we have? Sorry, agreement. So we have one agreement called scheduling agreement. So the document type for scheduling agreement is DS. Okay, this is a standard document type for scheduling agreement, which is DS. Now, what is this scheduling agreement? It is an agreement between the company and the customer for supplying the goods of particular quantity within a specific valid period and with predefined delivery dates. Okay. So on this date, I am going to deliver this much quantity. It is an agreement between the company and the customer. Okay. On this date, I am going to supply the goods for the customer. Okay. Now, what is the transaction code to create scheduling agreement? The transaction code is VA31. Now, I'll go to VA31 slash n VA31 is the transaction code and scheduling agreement type is DS. Standard is DS. Now, click enter. Okay. Enter sold to party. Enter sold to party and okay, give valid from. Okay, valid from and give valid to. Click enter and give the PO number. So enter the PO number, some random PO number and enter the material. Target quantity is, for example, I will take 1000 and 1000 liters. Okay, click enter. Now double click on this line item and go to condition tab. Go to schedule line data. So I am telling to system that, for example, for example, I will take 19th of August. 19th of August, I am going to hand over 300 quantities. Okay, on 19th of August. Now, on 22nd of August, I'm going to hand over 500 quantities. Okay, and again, and again, on 29th of August, I'm handovering how much? 200. 200. So total how much? 1000 quantities. On these particular dates, I'll copy this. I will copy these dates, Control C, and I will paste somewhere here. Okay, I will paste somewhere here, Control V. Okay, on these dates. So on this date, I am going to deliver 300. On this date, I am going to deliver 500. On this date, I am going to deliver 200 quantities. Okay. Now one step come back. Okay, one step come back. Now system has calculated the total price. Okay. Now click on edit, incompletion log. System is saying document is complete and save this. Okay. And what is the scheduling agreement? This is the scheduling agreement. Now I will copy this scheduling agreement and I will paste here. Okay. This is the scheduling agreement. Now what is the next step? Create delivery and PGI. Okay. Create delivery and PGI. Now slash NVL01N is the transaction code. Click enter. And this is the scheduling agreement document number. And what is the date? Date is 19th08. Okay. If I give 19th08, control we click enter. Okay. See 300 quantities. So on 19th, how much the company has promised? 300 quantities. Now I will enter the storage location. Okay. What is the picked quantity? 300. Click enter and perform post codes receipt. Okay. And what is the next delivery date? Next delivery date is 2208. Okay. 2208. Now give 2208. Click enter. What is the target delivery quantity? 500. Okay. And give the picked quantity 500. Click enter and perform goods receipt. Now what is the next date? The next date is on 29th of August. Company is going to deliver 200 products. Okay. Control V. Click enter. 200 products from this storage location and enter 200. Click enter and click on post code receipt. So this is how the business function. Okay, this is how the business will integrate all their process into SAP. Okay, so hope you understood these three: value contract general, value contract material specific, and scheduling agreement. In interview, they will ask types of contracts you worked on and what is the one agreement you know. Okay, you can tell scheduling agreement, standard document type is DS, and you can explain this business process. The next business process is very simple, that is item proposal. The document type for item proposal is PV and the transaction code is VA51. Okay, go to /n VA51. VA51. The document type is PV, item proposal. Now click enter. Give the description. For example, item proposal for testing. Some description I will give. Okay, click enter. Valid from, okay, it is valid from today to 31st 08. Now click enter. Now give the material. Okay, for example, this material of 100 quantity. Okay, and for example, 42 and of two quantities. Okay, okay, I will give some 100 only. 100. So I will change it to liter. 100 liters and this is 100 liters. Okay. Now I will save this. Okay. Now what is the item proposal number got generated? So this is the item proposal number got generated and I will copy in Excel sheet. Okay. Now I'll copy. So what is the next step? Go to, okay, what is the next step? Uh, Go to XD02 and assign this number to the customer. Assign this number to the customer. Now I will go to XD02 slash and XD02. Okay. Enter the customer, go to sales area tab, and you can see item proposal. Now this is the item proposal. So what is the item proposal? 51. Okay. Now I will save this. Okay. Okay. Now, whenever I create a sales order with respect to this customer, system will pull this item proposal. System will fetch the item proposal. Now, system will go inside this item proposal and will see what are the items that we are going to propose for this customer. Okay. Now, go to slash and VA01. VA01, click enter and enter the customer number, enter the customer. Now you can see an option called item, propose items. Okay, you can see this, I propose items. Now click on this propose items. Okay, see system is proposing items. So this is the item proposal number assigned to this particular customer. Now if you click on default without quantity, okay, system will not copy the quantity. Okay, now I will click on this. Click on this. See, system will not copy the quantities. Now I'll perform once again slash and VA01. Click enter, enter the customer number, enter the customer number. Now click on propose items. Now if you click on default with quantity, so system will copy the material as well as quantity. Okay, as well as quantity. See, it has copied. Now you can save this. So in real time, what will happen? So we will have, so this customer might order more than 100 different materials. Now for users, it is very difficult to come and give individual materials and also the order quantities. Okay. So that's why in the back end, that's why we will create one item proposal and we will assign that item proposal in master data, in customer master data. So whenever I create any sales order with respect to that customer, system will propose what are the materials. Okay. Even you can delete this also. Okay. You can delete the line item also. So this is the flexibility of having item proposal. So what is the transaction code? VA51 is the transaction code and the document type is PV. So that's all guys in today's class. Hope you understood this 4 important business process. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please raise your questions in the comment box. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe because it will help you to give the notification of my upcoming video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.